What's up, y'all? It is Monday. I guess Christmas is this Sunday. Already started getting some little treats and stuff here from my customers, which is always nice. We always, appreciate tips, whatever they are, but this time of year we get little cookies and goodies and stuff and whatnot. But this guy just gave me a box of dates. So I didn't know this 2 years ago, but dates actually grow on palm trees. I had no idea. I thought palm trees, I saw these palm trees farms first of all, and I thought they were, I don't know, you grow palm trees if you want them. These guys cut them down and send them to your house, or I don't know, Vegas or wherever the hell else you would put a palm tree. Some of these casinos they got out here. So I figured all palm trees like that were to look at, but yeah, I didn't know. I drove by all these farms for probably over a year until I found out that they actually grow fruit on them, which are called dates. Actually, they're not bad. A lot of people don't like them. I like them. I think they're all right. But they make date shakes out of them, and God knows what else. But yeah, it's nice. I mean, this is a pretty hefty box. This is 4 pounds. This is something I can take home. Most of my let's just say most of my tips, when they come in the form of food, normally don't make it home to the family. I'm out here for 8 or 10 hours a day. Last year this customer gave me some peanut brittle, and I was like, oh, I gotta take this home, let my wife try it. And yeah, it made it about a half of the day, and I ate it all. So what do? You can't just sit here and let it stare at you in the truck without eating it. But anyways, it's that time of year. Merry Christmas to everybody. And yeah, that's one of the nice things of the job is people give us tips, or tips like this once in a while, the little treats and candies and whatnot. But it's all appreciated, and thank you to everybody that does do it. I remember growing up as a kid, my parents used to put out on our trash can in the holidays a gift basket for the garbage man, and I don't even think you could do that anymore. I think people just go around and steal them. So it's kind of sad, and it's gotten to that. But everything's appreciated in this job. It's nice of people, but I just thought I'd share that with you. One of the perks, I guess, to being out here on the road on a local trucker job is some of the customers take care of you in one way or the other. But that was it. Got some dates today, and I guess 4 pounds of it. I guess I'm gonna save them for actual Christmas this Sunday, and it'll be one of our, I guess, desserts. So, all right, guys, I will check on you later. Take care, and if I don't talk to you, have a great holidays.